Hi kids! Miss Rosie here. Today, let's learn about the letter H. Uppercase H and lowercase h. The letter H makes the sound. Can you make it with me? Let's go. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about the vocabulary words of the letter H or the sound. We'll move on to spot the letter H amongst other letters. We'll also learn how to properly write the letter H. But before we begin all these activities, let's sing the letter H song. It goes like this. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. H, h, h. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. H, h, h. H, h. Hat. H, h. House. H, h. Horse. H, h. Hammer. H, h. Heel. H, h. Heart. H, h. Hero. H, h. Hen. H, h. Hamster. H, h. Horn. H, h. Hamburger. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. H, h, h. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. Let's make the letter sound. H, h, h. Kids, it's time for us to identify the vocabulary words of the letter H or the sound H. Let's start with the first vocabulary.
House. H is for house. Can you repeat after me? House. Horse. H is for horse. Let's say it together. Horse. Great job. Hamburger. H, hamburger. Let's say it together. Hamburger. Great job. Hen. Hen. Let's say it together. Hen. Great job. Hammer. H, hammer. Let's say it together. Hammer. Great job. Hamster. H is for hamster. Let's say it together. Hamster. Great job. Heart. H is for heart. Let's say it together. Heart. Good job. Hippo. H is for hippo. Let's say it together. Hippo. Hare. H is for hare. Let's say it together. Hare. Happy. H is for happy. Let's say it together. Happy. Excellent. Hop. H is for hop. Let's say it together. Hop. Excellent job.
It's time for us to learn how to properly write the letter H.
We start with the uppercase H. To write the uppercase H, You start with a straight line. From top, you go down. You come up on top again and then go down. Come to the middle and do a straight line to connect them. Let's try it again. A straight line from up, you go down. You go up again and then you go down. Then you go to the middle and then connect the two lines. Let's try it one more time. Straight line from up, you go down. Again, up, you go down. Then connect the two lines. We move to the lowercase h. To write the lowercase h, you start with a straight line. From up, you go down. Then do a curved line in the middle. Let's try it again. A straight line from up, you go down. You come to the middle and then do a curved line. Let's try it one more time. A straight line from up, you go down. Then a curved line in the middle. Great job, kids. Let's spot out the letter H. Anytime you find the letter H, make the sound. Let's start. I just spotted my first H. Now the second H. Let's find the third H. I just found the third H. Let's move on to the fourth H. I just found my fourth H. Let's find our fifth H. I just spotted it. Our last H, guys. Let's make the sound together. Excellent job.
I believe you had a great time with me. For more educative and fun videos, kindly click on the subscribe button. Share and like our videos. Katie's Corner, we are the best.